Hello everyone, welcome to Bodha Academy. I am Kamlakar, lecturer in physics. In this video, we will be discussing about oscillations concepts mainly related to spring mass system. When a load is attached to an end of a spring, then it elongates by y naught. Then restoring force is developed in the spring such that it is always directed towards equilibrium position. The restoring force is given as F is equals to minus K y naught, where K is a constant known as spring constant or force constant. At equilibrium, upward force and downward force will balance each other. Hence, Ky naught is equals to mg. In such case, we'll get spring constant K is equals to mg by y naught. Force constant is inversely proportional to length of the spring. Also, force constant or spring constant depends upon number of turns in the spring. When spring is cut into two unequal parts, then spring constant of each part is given as K1 is equals to K into L1 plus L2 divided by L1, and K2 is equals to K into L1 plus L2 divided by L2. When spring is cut into two equal parts, then force constant of each part will be 2K. When spring is cut into three equal parts, then force constant of each part will be 3K, and so on. When two springs are connected in series, then the effective spring constant is given as 1 by K effective is equals to 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. This equation can also be expressed as K effective is equals to K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. When two springs are connected in parallel, then effective spring constant is given as K effective is equals to K1 plus K2. Energy stored in a spring. When a spring is stretched or compressed, then potential energy is stored in it. If X is elongation or compression in the spring, then energy stored in the spring is given as U is equals to half kx square. This formula can also be expressed as U is equals to F square by 2k, where F is force, and U is equals to half F into X. Time period of oscillations of a loaded spring is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M by K. This formula can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root Y naught by G, where Y naught is initial elongation of the spring when load is attached. An ideal spring is massless, but when spring with a mass is considered, then time period of oscillations of loaded spring is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M plus ms by 3 whole thing divided by K, where ms is mass of the spring. Consider different cases of oscillations of a loaded spring as shown in figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, and figure 5. In all these cases, the time period of oscillation of loaded spring is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M by K. Time period of oscillations of a system of two springs when connected in series with a load is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M by K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. Time period of oscillations of system of two springs when connected in parallel with a load is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M by K1 plus K2. For a spring mass system, let M be mass of block, K1 be spring constant, and T1 be time period of oscillation. For another spring mass system, let same mass M be suspended, K2 is spring constant, and T2 be its time period. Now, both springs are connected in series to the same load. Then, time period of oscillation of this system is given as T is equals to square root of T1 square plus T2 square. Coupled oscillator. A system of two bodies connected by a spring so that both are free to oscillate simple harmonically along the length of the spring constitutes a coupled oscillator. Let M1 and M2 be masses of two blocks connected to same spring of spring constant K as shown in figure. When the system is compressed or elongated and released, then the system will execute simple harmonic motions. For such coupled oscillator, the reduced mass mu is given as mu is equals to M1 M2 divided by M1 plus M2. And time period of oscillations of a coupled oscillator is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root mu by K, where mu is reduced mass. A block of mass m is connected between two springs as shown in figure. In this case, the time period of oscillations is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root m by K1 plus K2. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe.